Hello, welcome to this video. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano gamitin ang Load Central back office para mag-load or para gamitin ang e-loading system nito. Okay, so first you need to log in to your account. Okay, yung username po ninyo is yung phone number na ginamit niyo pag register. Okay, so I'll put in my password now. Okay, ito po yung back office ng Load Central. See here, ito yung mga products na pwede natin ibenta sa e-loads. Yan, kompleto po yan. From Smart, Red Mobile, PLDT, Signal, Globe, Touch Mobile, Sun Express. Yan po. And meron po tayong call cards, game products. Yan po, kompleto rin po yan. So kung may internet cafe kayo, magagamit niyo po ito. Okay, satellite, SmartLink, Dream, Portal products, Sparks and Textwise, internet card. This is for dial-up. Okay, meron po tayong other products, Globe lines, for the call, bayan. Yan po, kompleto na po yan. Okay, na ngayon papakita ko sa iyo kung paano mag-load using Load Central back office. Okay, I'll load my Smart Bro. Right now, meron akong 28.67 balance sa aking retailer account. Okay, so I'll put in my number. Wait lang po. Can't memorize my number. Okay, so just type in the number here, buyer's number, and click on sell product. Okay, so ito na po, pumasok na po sa Smart Bro ko yung load, and nakita niyo po dito yung transaction history niya. It says successfully sold SM Bro 30 to my number. Ito po yung trace number or yung transaction number niya. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video, and see you in my next video.